welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to talk about how to hyperlink an email address on Reddit. So let's get started, my friends. Contact information, LiquidOcelot business at gmail.com. So what I'm going to do is highlight this email address, and then what I'm going to do is go to these chains link, click it. So automatically, my friends, the highlighted text goes to mail to LiquidOcelot business at gmail.com, and this is what happens, my friends. So I'm going to post it. So what I'm going to do, my friends, is try to comment as well. So contact me via this email. So I'll just highlight this text, go to the link, and here I'll type mail to LiquidOcelot business at gmail.com and click insert. So if I click this email, it will go directly to this link. This is how I do it, my friends. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'll be signing off. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification for future updates. Take care.